Hi, in today's video I will show you how to set up meals in Admire. Meals are a very important part of school, and therefore to have the ability to set them up so that you can easily assign them to students is very important. Let's get started. In Admire, go to School, Setup, and Meal Setup. The meal setup window will now open. As you can see, we already have lunch, breakfast, supper, snack, pashachris, and afternoon pizza already set up. But let's say I want to set up Rosh Chodesh donuts. So I'm going to type over here, Rosh Chodesh donuts. Start times and end times are very important if we want the students to be able to sign in using the meal terminal. So let's say in this case, I want it at 9 a.m. Just going to switch that to AM, and I want it to be finished at 9:30 AM. Okay, now the price that we're going to be putting in is the actual cost per parent per meal. So let's say in this case it's $100 for the year. I'm going to put in $100, and when it comes to reduced prices, let's say we have a deal that the parent only has to pay a reduced rate of $50, and we'll put that in and hit enter. And now we can put in our menu, which is optional, but I'm going to put donuts because that's obviously what we're talking about over here. And I'm going to make sure that over here this is checked as active. The reason for that is if it's not active, if I uncheck that, then this meal will not show up in the meal area when we're trying to assign it for students. I want to make sure that it's active here, so that way when I hit OK, the meal will show up in its proper place. Thank you for watching. We at Admire Academy are constantly creating content so that you can use the software and understand it to its full capacity. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you for watching.